Using vanilla Visa gift card at Goat is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can use Visa gift card on Goat. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm at the Goat website and I'm just going to search for any of the shoes. So I'm just going to go to the Nike, and suppose I want to buy this. So I'm just going to go to this website, and here I'm going to click on this buy now, and I'm going to select it, and it will take me to this page. Now here I'm just going to click on this checkout as guest. Now here you simply have to add your email address, your name, your country, and all of the address. After that, you have to click on this save and continue, and it will take you to the payment section. In the payment section, you have to select the usual credit or debit card. Let me just show you. This is how these should look. You just need to add your Visa's gift card number, your name on card, or you can simply skip this. It's optional, or you can type in your name if it doesn't go that way. And then you have to type in expiry date and security code. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can use Visa gift card at Goat. Hope you guys find this video helpful.